This is Expo Center City in Germany's funky capital, Berlin. And I'm here to have a look around Europe's biggest technology show. Welcome to IFA 2019. This gadget-packed event right here is my chance to get hands-on with tech that's sure to be making headlines very soon. With 162,000 square meters of show floor space and almost 2,000 brands exhibiting across 26 halls, IFA is a veritable heaven for any gadgeteer gagging to spot new tech trends. From TVs to 3D holograms, mobile phones to e-scooters, the big hitters of the gadget world use IFA to launch their new products and crazy concepts. One thing that is immediately apparent as I make my way around the halls is that smart home tech is going to be huge this year. If you're into leftovers, then Hoover's Keep Heat oven allows you to store your cooked food inside it without it spoiling. Now, we're used to preserving our food in cooler temperatures in a fridge, but Hoover have come up with a really innovative concept that's found that you can preserve food at a warmer temperature, 63 degrees to be precise. So as long as it's in a sealed container, you can have it in your oven, warm and ready to eat, for up to 14 days. So you could cook all the food for a week on a Sunday, and then it'll be waiting for you when you get home from work. I love this cool touch and watch oven from Candy. It's operated purely by touchscreen, you can watch recipe videos, and it has an internal HD camera, which means you can keep a continuous eye on the progress of your baking without having to open the door and risk a sinking sponge. The future of food and drink is being embraced by the folks over at Panasonic. They're showcasing some really out there kitchen concepts. This is the Lift. It's a kind of super smart, healthy steamer that uses advanced heat, pressure and sensor technology in order to, and I quote, lift your food to its most optimal nutritional state. Samsung are also steaming ahead with their home tech. This is the Airdresser. It's a closet that has an inbuilt steaming system, so you'll never have to head to the dry cleaners again. Grease-free and fresh. But one thing that I really want to try and smuggle back to Casa Georgie is this mural canvas 2 from Netgear. It's a smart art digital picture frame. They have over 30,000 different pieces of artwork to choose from. Now, the beauty of it is that it's incredibly lifelike. You can sort of see the texture of the brush strokes. You just simply gesture control to swipe between. And you can even upload your own photos. The most important artwork of them all. As expected, TVs are big news at IFA this year, and it seems they are evolving in style. Tellies in the living room can be a little bit of an eyesore, so Panasonic are trying to combat that with this beautiful television. It's designed to look like a glass cabinet because when you turn it off, it's completely transparent. And there's big news from Amazon. They've just announced they've teamed up with JVC to release the first UK telly that comes with Fire TV built in. Now, what that means is that from this one hub, you can access your favourite streaming apps, but you can also access live TV. So you don't need to flip to different home pages or use different remotes. Not only that, it also comes with Alexa built in with the remote, and you can link it up to your Echo so you can go completely hands-free. Play the Gadget Show.
Getting the Gadget Show from my 5.
But if it's picture quality that floats your boat, then this is the telly for you. This is the Hisense ULED 8K TV, but what makes this TV really unique is that it comes with dual panels. These TVs have 2 LCD panels stacked on top of one another, one black and white and one colour. And that creates this incredible contrast and depth to the picture. But tellies aren't the only tech where 2 screens are being introduced. I've got a world first here. This is the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. It's the first laptop in the world that has two 4K displays, both of which are touchscreen. It's perfect for anybody who does a lot of multitasking on their laptop or just wants to create a little bit more room on their screen. There's some big audio releases at IFA this year too. One of the most interesting is Sony's 360-degree reality audio headphone app.
Turn your head slowly to the left.
It claims to create a fully personalised audio profile based on the shape of your ears. The idea is that it takes a photo of your ear so that it can optimise the 360 reality audio. Really get a sense of the audio being all the way around you. Impressive. Some fitness-focused news at IFA comes from the ever-growing world of smartwatches, where a couple of big names have made a couple of big announcements. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. They've now updated the bezel, so it's no longer mechanical. Instead, it's a beautiful digital one, very, very smooth. They've also updated the running coach and improved the sensors on the back for more accurate reading of your health data. This is the Versa 2 from Fitbit, and it's the first Fitbit smartwatch that comes with Alexa built in. So Alexa is no longer confined just to the one room in the house. You can take her with you when you're going for a run, heading to the gym, or if you're in a part of the house that doesn't yet have a smart speaker. Alexa, where's the nearest yoga studio? You can even use it to control your smart home tech. Turn light 1 to purple. I totally should have put this Fitbit watch on at the beginning of the day. I'll be feeling the IFA burn tomorrow for sure. 2019 is the year of concepts, upgrades and ultimate gadget style. And the crossover of tech is really being integrated into our everyday lives. And I love it.